This video provides an overview of the Ohio Story page created in Drupal. I'll show you an example page and how that aligns with the Drupal page creation interface. The details for actually creating a page will be shown in a separate video. This is an Ohio story created and published in the Ohio Today. The top contains the story block, which has the page title, abstract, author, publish date, and social share icons. A page is created by adding blocks that have different properties. This is a text block. This is a video block, followed by another text block. This is a 2-image block. Another text block. This is a 3-image block using the 1 on the left, 2 on the right layout. These are the story tags. The tags that are added to a story allow filters to pull the stories into different web pages across the website. These tags are also used to populate the news feeds on department pages. The Related Stories block is an optional feature that can be used if you are writing a series of stories on a particular topic, or if you want to direct the reader to specific stories related to the one you are writing. The standard Ohio Global footer is on all of our university pages. We will now look at how this translates to the Drupal interface. At the bottom of the page in Drupal, there are different actions you can take. For the Ohio story, we will use both edit and layout. In the edit view of the page, you will add the page title, the story author, the publish date, the story title that has different choices, the media file, which is the large image at the top of the page, the topic label, and the abstract. These are all the items that we saw in this story block. You will also choose your story categories and add the tags that we saw at the bottom of the page. The organizational tag represents the college or division that the story applies to. The layout view is where you create the actual body content of your page. The layout view first displays your action buttons at the top of the page, where you can save your layout or discard changes. The Show Content Preview allows you to choose whether you want to see all of the content as you build or only see the structure. I usually leave this box checked as I'm building, but if you are moving rows around, it's easier to do with the preview off. I'll turn it on so that you can see that the view in Drupal matches what we just saw on the live page. I'm going to uncheck the Show Content Preview so that you can see the actual blocks. This is the header of the page at the top. This is the story title block that was created in the edit view of the page that includes our hero image and page title. And these are each of the blocks that we saw in the content. The 3 text blocks, the video block, the 2-image block, and the 3-image block. You can click the pencil icon to either configure or edit your block, move it, or delete the block. This title is usually used to help you identify the blocks as you're editing in Drupal. It will not display unless the display title box is checked. The blocks at the bottom are not editable in this view because they are created in the edit view of the page. When you're finished building or editing your page, you can save the layout. This concludes this video.